Language evaluation criteria. We have five language evaluation criteria, and the first one is readability, writability, reliability, cost, and others. Let's look into readability language evaluation criteria. In readability, we have five different types of criteria. Before going into the types of criteria, first, what is meant by readability? Readability is the most important feature for addressing a language. That is how well a language can be read and understood. Moving on to the criteria, first one is simplicity. Simplicity is said as it is a manageable set of features and constraints. There exist multiple ways of doing the same operation. It is known as simplicity. Coming to orthogonality, if some features can be combined to build the control and data structures of the programming language, then it is known as orthogonality. And the third one is control statements. For instance, let us consider a program and we have a lot of go-to statements. If we see a lot of go-to statements, it is a huge task for a reader to understand. So, it majorly defines the readability of any program. That is control statements. And the fourth one is data types and structures. Presence of adequate facilities for defining data types and data structures in a language is another significant aid to readability. For example, let us consider a language. It doesn't have Boolean data type. If I would like to create a variable and represent a flat rate, I need to use numerical data type. It is a kind of issue, right? I won't have enough flexibility. And the fifth one is syntax design. Three types of syntax affect readability. First one is identified forms, second is special words, and third one is forms and meaning. Moving on to the next one, writability. We have three criteria under writability. Okay, writability. It defines the ease with which a language can be used to create programs. And the first one is simplicity and orthogonality. There should be small number of primitive constructs and consistent set of rules for combining them to make a language writable. And the second one is support for abstraction. It is a characteristic of language to define and use complicated operations in such a way that the implementation details can be ignored. Basically, the abstraction means we can ignore some part of the program. It is simple. And next one is expressivity. In this, programmers are allowed to use powerful operations to express idea in less number of lines of code. For example, if I would like to find power of any number, for suppose 2 power 5, I need to write a for loop. I don't need to write a for loop for I equal to 0 less than 5, I plus plus. I can use 2 star 5. It is expressivity. And moving on to the third type, reliability. It says that it is a criteria which allows to perform specifications under all conditions. First one is type checking. Process of checking type errors occur during compilation and execution is type checking. And second one is exception handling. The ability of a program to interpret runtime errors, take corrective measures, and then continue in obvious aid to reliability. And the third one is aliasing. Having 2 or more distinct names that can be used to access some memory cell. For example, pointers. And the fourth one is readability and writability. The program becomes more reliable if both the readability and writability is achieved. And the fifth one is cost. There are no subtypes in cost. Basically, the cost depends on 5 factors. First one is training the programmer, software creation, compilation and execution, poor reliability, and the maintenance cost. Moving on to the last one, others. Others are portability, generality, definiteness. What is portability? Allowing to move program from one implementation to other is known as portability. And the generality, applicability to wide range of applications, that is known as generality. Next, definiteness. Completeness of a language is known as definiteness. Thank you.